Hi there, this is Carla Amashan, and I'm excited to share with you some information regarding Novatech. So we're going to get right into it. Before we get started, I'm just going to go over a few important points on this earning disclaimer. You can read the entire thing here, but basically Novatech is not responsible for with the use of their information, products, and services. You need to do your own due diligence. The company is not liable for any success or failure of your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, and services. You should independently verify and confirm the information. They don't accept any liability for loss or damage whatsoever in reliance upon the information or services. There's risks in trading with any financial markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. You must be 18 years or older to have an account with Novatech, and you can only have one account, whether that's in your personal name or in your business name is your choice. If it is in a business name, you must be a 60% owner of that business. So who is Novatech? Novatech is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC. They were established in June of 2019, so they're just about 3 years old as a legally registered cryptocurrency hedge fund company. They boast some of the industry's top leading professionals worldwide. The products and services are backed by ATMs, crypto and debit card transactions, and crypto and Forex trading markets. Their goal is to provide customers with affordable financial solutions, trade cryptocurrencies and Forexes online, utilize the most sophisticated and latest technologies. So these are the founders of Novatech. This is a family-run business. Reverend Cynthia Petillon, Eddie Petillon, and Cynthia's brother, Ricardo Roy. Together, they have 40 years of combined experience in blockchain technologies, cryptocurrency, crypto and Forex trading, professional networking, leadership and team building, software and project management, computer and network engineering, and finance and education. Now, I have been a part of the network marketing, relationship marketing for many years, since 2005. And what I really kind of appreciate about these people is the fact that they come from that industry, and prior to Novatech, they were actually involved and were at a presidential rank in a company that I like to say the owners maybe took a stupid pill, but they made some decisions that ended up being detrimental to that company. And so Cynthia and Eddie actually tried to help the owners of that company. And when they realized that they were not as transparent as they should have been, and they realized how much trouble that company was in, they obviously, realized that there was nothing that they could do to help the owners. And being builders themselves and having teams involved in that company, they, along with a lot of other people, were hurt when that company went under. And that's part of why they created Novatech, is because they wanted to create a business and a company where people could come and people would not get hurt. And so I love that Novatech was created out of a desire to give people a safe place built on integrity. And they also want to change the financial futures of impoverished countries and people. There are full biographies of all of them in your back office once you fund your account. This was something that was really, really important to me. I got involved in cryptocurrency about 18 months ago, and I've seen a lot of companies come and go, and I've seen companies overpromise and underdeliver. And I will tell you, Novatech does the exact opposite. If anything, they underpromise and overdeliver. But something that was really crucial to me was to know that they were licensed and registered in the United States. And so they're registered and licensed not only in the United States, but also in the country of Estonia and also in the Grenadine Islands. That gives them the ability to do business globally. However, in Canada and the United States, they are only trading in the cryptocurrency markets. Outside of Canada and the United States, they are trading in both the crypto and Forex. So they are registered in the Grenadine Islands also with the SEC, the SEC, which they don't need to be in the United States because cryptocurrency does not fall underneath those regulations. One of the other things too is that part of another part of the NovaPay, right? So there's Novatech, they have the smart bid ATMs, and then they've got the clean energy crypto mining. But with the smart bid ATM, in order for them to get a money transmission license, they had to get registered and licensed with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. So you can see the Novatech SmartBit FinCEN license ID here. And that was almost a 2-year process. And so when people say to me, I want to do a little bit of research, or I want to do some background checks on these people, I always tell people no one would ever have vetted these people as much as the United States government and the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. So that really kind of also put my mind at ease, because I don't believe anybody is going to go through almost a 2-year vetting process and then do something that is going to jeopardize their licensing and registration with FinCEN. So what do we do? Novatech is a registered MT5 broker operating its own trading platform with one of the largest liquidity pools in the industry. So because they are their own broker, we do not pay brokerage fees, which is really cool. They offer cryptocurrency and Forex MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. So if you are yourself a trader, you can download the MT5 trading app, and you can actually find Novatech there as a broker that you can use. The Pam accounts are what we're going to focus on today. They have a cryptocurrency payment gateway, and they do have an exclusive affiliate program that is 100% optional. So this is just some cryptocurrency and Forex trading basics. So basically, crypto is digital currency. It is independent of central banks or the government. Examples are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, takes place 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is a global market for trading government issued currencies or fiat. This determines the foreign exchange rate, one of the most actively trading markets in the world, averaging 6.3 trillion a day. Example, USD to Canadian dollar, USD to Australia dollar, and trading Forex takes place 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. So we're going to focus on the Pam account. So what is a Pam account? This is not exclusive to Novatech. A percentage allocation management module, or PAM for short, is a form of pooled funds inside a cryptocurrency or a Forex trading account. Since investing in a PAM account are available inside a managed trading account and traded for you by qualified traders. So Novatech has 15 traders, 9 of them are full-time, they live all over the world. But investors can participate without the need for knowledge or experience in the day-to-day trading of currency markets. And that is what makes our Pam account so attractive, is literally you can be hands-off, you can let the traders do all of the work for you and ride the coattail of professional vetted traders that know how to take advantage of both the ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market. So this makes a Pam account a unique product that allows inexperienced investors to earn profits without having to trade on their own. Profits and losses are allocated among investors and Pam manager according to the percentage defined by the manager of the Pam account. So with us, 70% of the profits come to the investors, which is us, and 30% the company keeps. They pay their traders, they pay themselves, they pay everything they need to on the company end. And a percentage of those profits that the company makes is paid out into the affiliate program. So none of your investment as an investor goes towards paying anybody anything. If you invest $1,000 in your trading account, $1,000 is in your trading account. Your sponsor gets none of it. Simply put, at the end of a specific trading period, the profit made inside a Pam account is then equally distributed among all investors in the form of a percentage or shared profit or a return of investment. So for us, every Friday, we are paid our ROI. And then we can decide if we want to cash out or do we want to compound our profits by reinvesting so we have more money working for us the next week in the market. So this is some information about our security. The system is a tiered system with a user front end and an isolated firewall backend. The database backend is completely isolated and not accessible via open communication channels. There is a restricted one-way channel via the front end to connect to required services, but not the back-end database. Bottom line, all critical systems are isolated and inaccessible. So this is some of our highlights. It's a live market trading platform. So again, we do have live traders trading for us. And if you want to trade on your own, you can do that as well. There is no trading skills required. That is the number one key thing here, is you don't need to know anything. We have expert advisor software. This is a done for you. The only responsibility you have is to log in every Friday, take 1 minute and either reinvest or withdraw. And no, that cannot be automated because the company will not do anything outside of what they need to do to remain legal and following all guidelines. We do have a free Trading Academy library included. So if you're someone who wants to learn how to trade, they provide this free of charge so you can learn while you earn. And we have automated trading and updates. Now, why are we different? So there's no expiration dates. You can trade as long as you want, cancel at any time. You can invest one time and one time only, or you can invest and then reinvest and add more of your own money into your account as often as you wish. The biggest thing for me is the fact that you have access to your capital at any time. Life can happen. And so I have had people approach me about getting involved in different platforms where when you invest, that money is locked away, whether it's for 90 days, 100 days, 200 days, 600 days, whatever it is. That doesn't make sense to me. I love having the ability to access my capital if something was to happen that I needed it. So how that works is when you invest from day 1 to 14, if something happens or if you decide this isn't for you, you can withdraw all of your capital. You will not be charged a processing fee. Day 15 to day 90, there is a 15% processing fee. After day 90, you don't pay a processing fee. And the reason they have that processing fee from day 15 to day 90 is because when you invest, your sponsor is going to be paid out of the company profits a bonus because they introduced you to Novatech. Well, they are a business and they want to be sustainable. So of course they need to recoup the money that they have paid out in the affiliate side based on you joining Novatech. But like I said, after day 90, no processing fee. There's no earning caps here at all. We have people here that are trading. Their trading account balance is $500. And we have people here. There are a few people that are trading with $1 million trading balance. So I can't even imagine every Friday what their return of investment is on $1 million. And there's no withdrawal limits. So that is something else that is really cool. I know people that have withdrawn. I myself have withdrawn well over, I don't know, $16,000 US. I know there are people that have withdrawn over $100,000. So anything you can do up to a $10,000 withdrawal daily without needing to do the KYC. If you're doing over 10,000, then they need, like a picture with your ID to make sure you are who you say you are. Another thing that I want to point out is that it's crypto in. So when we fund our account, we're sending crypto. There's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, USDT on the Ethereum network, or what's the other one? I think there's one other one, but crypto in and crypto out. So when they pay us, they're paying us in crypto as well. However, once your money gets to Novatech, it's shown in fiat. So it's in fiat dollars, it's in US dollars. And what's great about that is, like right now, Bitcoin is doing a big dive. So imagine if you had Bitcoin sitting in there, yesterday your account might've been worth 1,000, today it might be worth 600. So I love the fact that once it's there, you see it there, it's in US dollars. So like I said, if you're putting in $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000, when it reaches your account, that is what is going to be in there. So we do have performance reports posted every single week and monthly in our back office. So at the end of the week, it closes out Friday, we get paid our return of investment. By usually Monday or Tuesday of the following week, the previous week's report is in the back office for you to see. And they, like I said, they also do monthly reports as well. So this is just a summary and some of the last 6 months results that we have seen. So first of all, the 2021 summary that you see there, where it shows a total profit of 177.9%, that is before compounding. If you were to take compounding into effect, that would probably be about 550 to 600%. Now you can see here, April to November, you can see here we had a weekly average of about 3% up until January. Since the company started, the average weekly was about 3.55%, but January and February, we've seen some low weeks. The week in February there of 1.75, that is the lowest week in the company's history. And that was when Russia and Ukraine went to war. And so while a lot of other markets were losing money or not making any gains, we still made 1.75, which is more than some people are getting from their bank in an entire year. The average monthly was 13.01%. So a few things that are really key here for you to know is, first of all, Novatech does not rely on any new money coming in to pay profits. We are 100% a profit-based business and company. So if there is a week that the company does not make any profits, we would not get paid a profit either. And that is something that I mean, that's what keeps us sustainable, right? Because when the company profits, we profit. So we're profit-based. Everything here is profit-based. If no profit is made during a week, no profit is paid. However, since they have started in June of 2019, they have consistently paid out a return of investment every single Friday. And again, past performance is not indicative of future performance. So this is just a graph showing that since 2020, if you would have invested in Novatech compared to $1,000 in Novatech compared to $1,000 in Bitcoin, what would have happened to your account? And so, you know, we just like to show this because, again, you have the professionals that are doing all of the work for you, and they know how to capitalize on both a bullish and a bear market. Now, something that we like to do is we like to go to this site. This has nothing to do with Novatech, but this just shows people what is possible if given the opportunity to compound your bonuses, your Friday bonuses, or your Friday return of investment. So it's called thecalculatorsite.com. And I'm just going to take a second and I'm just going to show you maybe one example, and then you can go here yourself. And we tell people, you know, don't go here at nighttime because honestly, you won't sleep. But we use the Forex compounding calculator. You can use the compound interest calculator, which allows you to do deposits and withdrawals. But I'm just going to show you here. So let's say let's just go with $10,000. I'm just going to show you if you invested $10,000, we use 3% conservatively weekly. And we're going to go 3 years simply because Novatech has almost been around for 3 years. So there are actually people that have gotten involved in Novatech in the very beginning, and they are living out this calculator that I'm going to show you. So this is $10,000 over 3 years. Over 3 years, that would equal $1 million. Now, I want to point out a few things. So first of all, when you invest in Novatech, if you reinvest your profits every single week, so this is meaning you're not taking out any of your Friday earnings. You're reinvesting everything, and it doesn't take into account the $25 a month fee that you are going to pay until your account reaches $25,000, and then there's no more fee. But what this shows you is that basically every 6 months, you're going to double your money. So if you start with 10,000 by month 6, you're at over 21,000. If you wanted to at that time, you could pull out your initial $10,000 and then you're playing with the house money. You're out no money. In 12 months, that is now at 46,000, 18 months, it's at 100,000. So literally every 6 months it doubles. But what's really exciting is if you look at, say, even around month 17, you're earning over $10,000 a month. So if you wanted to, you could actually start withdrawing, whether it's $3,000 or $5,000 a month. All of the rest of it is going to be going into growing your capital. However, you know, people are actually doing this and they're living off of these profits, right? Now, Let's just add that to 5 years. Let's just go from the 3 years to the 5 years and look at the difference. So instead of that just over $1 million, it is going to be, I don't know why it's getting slow here. There you go, $21 million over 5 years. So you started with 10,000. In 5 years, that's going to be $21 million. Now, again, there is no guarantees. We do not promise a percentage. We do not, but we're using 3%. So this is just going by with the track record that Novatech has had since June of 2019. If everything stays as it is, this is what you would see, right? And you start to look at, you know, some of those months where, I mean, you look at here with what you're earning in a month 29, you're earning 49,000 a month, you know, month 36, 120,000 a month. I mean, it's crazy. And so, like I said, we encourage people go and play with this. We do have some people, and I'm just going to do this really quickly. I mean, everybody, a lot of people, we have people that start at literally $500. We have people that start at, you know, $1,000. I've seen people start at $25,000. We do have investors who are normally investing in things like real estate and different things like that. Some of them are coming in with $100,000. And I mean, month one right there, you're making over $13,000 a month. So again, we have had some people that come in more with that investment mindset where they see how in 6 months they can literally double that initial investment. And, you know, if they want, pull out that seed capital and they're just playing with the house money. So again, I encourage you, again, you know, go check this out. This has nothing to do with Novatech. Past performance does not guarantee future results, but it's just fun to kind of go and see what is possible and what your money can do for you. All right, let's move along. So these are the different trading packages. So again, we have a low monthly fee. What's really cool is Novatech does not even charge you that low monthly fee until day 30. So you literally get 4 Friday return of investments before you're even charged. And with these packages here, there is a builder package. We actually recommend people start with the bronze package, which with a minimum $500 US investment. And that's because of that $25 a month fee that you're going to get. We do have the VIP. So once your balance is 25,000 to just under 100,000, you're not paying the service fee, plus the company is going to give you a 1% cash back on your monthly return of investment. When you are in the President's Club, it means your account is 100,000 or more. You're going to get $1,000 from the company. You can withdraw it, you can reinvest it. Again, no monthly fees, and you're now getting 2.5% cash back on your monthly return of investment. We have a fantastic support, great area with frequently asked questions. And if you need to get a hold of support, you'll hear back from them usually within 24 hours. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to really quickly go through the optional affiliate program. Now, this is 100% optional and it's completely separate from our Pam accounts. We are paid our return of investment from our Pam accounts on Friday. We are paid Saturday for the affiliate side. So we have a one-of-a-kind hybrid compensation plan. A few key things, if you are familiar with compensation plans, we've taken the best of a binary and a unilevel and put them into one. We do have a 48-hour holding tank, which allows you to leverage. It allows you to place people wherever you want in your organization. We do pay on all legs. We can provide spillover to any member. The biggest thing is that the volume never flushes. Your volume will never flush. We are profit-based earnings, and dynamic compression eliminates inactive accounts. We have a 97 to 98% retention because of the fact that the company does exactly what it says it's going to do. We have a gentleman that's been involved since September of 2019. He's got well over 30,000 people below him, and he has 11 inactive accounts. And that just means that they didn't fund their account in the required time or they canceled, but literally 11. So there's 7 ways to get paid. We're going to go through all of these. What I want to just say is number 6 and number 7, the rank achievements up to $100,000 and the rank based profit sharing. Those are 2 ways that you can make money without even having to enroll anyone. So the direct referral bonus, this is where those trading packages come in. So based on when you refer someone to Novatech, based on what they invest, you are going to get a bonus paid. Let's say you have someone that comes in with $100,000. You are going to get a bonus of $5,000 $5,000 paid to you. So if somebody comes in on Thursday, by Saturday, you're going to be paid your $5,000. What's really cool though, is if you have somebody that comes in at a bronze level, let's say they put in $2,000 US, you're going to get paid the $50. But the minute their account goes over the $2,500, which is the silver, whether that is from them adding more of their own money or whether that is from them reinvesting every Friday, you will be paid the differences of what you would have got paid had they come in with that in the beginning. So we have the total bonuses paid, but we have the upgrade bonus as people's accounts grow from one to the other, to the other, to the other, to the other. So the company's always looking for ways to pay us. Indirect referral bonus, this goes 7 levels deep. So if you have somebody on your first level that comes in as a president with $100,000, you're gonna be paid $250. They come in as VIP, $62. If they're on your second level, you're going to get $100. If they come in at a gold, $5. And you look at some of these, 5 cents, 25 cents, and you think, wow, that doesn't sound like a lot. But when you can have hundreds and thousands of people on each level and it goes 7 levels deep, it can really, really add up. We do have a fast track bonus for people that want to move quickly. So in your first 45 days, if you have 3 people come in at a bronze, you're going to get $100. If you have 3 people come in at a silver, you're going to get $500. If you have 3 people come in as a bronze and they upgrade to silver, you will get the greater bonus, $500. So you can earn both of these, but you can only earn each of them once. And this is paid out on day 60. The check matching bonus is something that is it is the crown jewel of our compensation plan because it is 9 levels deep and you're getting a percentage of your direct downlines trading profits every week. And as people reinvest every week, their trading profits grow every week. So literally this keeps getting bigger and bigger. So imagine we have some people trading here with a $100,000 trading account. We do have a couple people with $1 million trading account. Imagine you being the sponsor and you're getting 5% of whatever their return of profit is every Friday. And then again, 9 levels deep. We've seen this double from week to week to week. The residual income lifetime bonus. So this is on the $25 fee that Novatech charges up until your account is at $25,000. So remember, whenever the company profits, we profit. So they even take a percentage of that and they pay it out every single month, 9 levels deep. Now the rank achievement bonus, this one here is, this is an incredible bonus. It is a one-time bonus that you can earn. Remember I said the volume never flushes. And once you hit platinum, which is 25,000, basically, I don't want to go into a lot of detail here. We can do that on another Zoom. What you need to know is to max out our entire compensation plan, you would need 3 legs or 3 teams. You can earn up to the executive with just 2 legs, and that's what we recommend people start with. Once you get to around this executive, you want to start building a 3rd leg because you need the 3rd leg to hit senior executive, junior director, and so on, but only 3 legs. And these bonuses up until director, they are paid out. These ones are all paid out one time. These ones are paid out over a couple weeks. But this is, the other thing too is that, for example, if you have, say, a parent that you wanted to put into Novatech, they wanted to fund an account, you could put 3 people underneath them. They could actually earn all of these bonuses. We have a lady in the company whose dad, 80 years old, funded an account, never sponsored anyone, but she put 3 legs under him and he is the director in the company. So he's got paid out all of these bonuses so far and he's never ever enrolled anyone. The other really cool thing about some of these ranks is there are some requirements. For example, to hit senior executive, you have to have an executive below you and a platinum or, whatever it is. Don't quote me on that, but you need to have some ranks under you. The great thing is that they do not need to be your personals. As long as you have these other ranks below you, it doesn't matter whether they are your personals or not, they qualify you for these bonuses. Oh, and the other thing I'm going to let you know is there's only 2 2-star ambassadors in the entire company. And yeah, one of my questions when I heard about Novatech in January, I started January 7th, was why haven't I heard of this company? And what we found out is that this just grew grassroots. They didn't do any big advertising. They didn't have any big networkers. They wanted the platform to speak for itself with the people that were getting involved right from the very beginning. The profit sharing pool. Now, I've talked to some big networkers out there that won't even look at a company unless they have a profit sharing pool, because they know then that the company recognizes that they would be nothing without the field. So basically, what happens is once you hit senior executive, you are put into the company pool where 10% of the company's quarterly net profits are paid out. So 2% goes to the senior executives. Once you become a director, you move out of this pool into this one where you get 3%. Once you become an ambassador, you move out of this pool where you now get 5%. Now, something else that is very good to know is the fact that this hedge fund is going to hit $1 billion this year. And so, I mean, I just hit senior executive here in April. So I don't know what these look like yet, but we have heard that some of these pools pay out more than some people make in an entire year. Instant cash bonuses are paid immediately. And that is basically it for this presentation. So I'm going to encourage you to get back to whoever it was that shared this with you. If you want more information, more details, we can definitely jump on a Zoom and answer any questions or provide any clarification. Thanks so much. Have a great day.